Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lavish Mehwish, with yours truly, Mehwish. So I am here in Houston. Behind me, I believe that's Highway 59 in Houston. So we are here for the Lights Fest, which is happening over in Baytown. It's where you let the lanterns go into the sky, you put a wish or a dream, anything you want to write on that lantern and just let it go into the sky. We will be doing a look inspired on this light festival. Stay tuned. I am already prepped, primed, ready to go and dive into my makeup. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put that color corrector, the Nikita Dragon color corrector that you guys saw me do a video on last week. So I am going to go ahead and dive into this and lay this down. That way it dries while I do my eye look. So I will do this off camera. Alright, so I am back. I have gone ahead and color corrected just some of my dark circles that I've got and around my lips and my chin. So you guys know that I always say that I like to go ahead and start with my eyes. So today I will be focusing on my eye look because we are doing a festival inspired eyeshadow look today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and prep my eyes with concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS. This is what it looks like. And this is in the color medium 1, which is custard. All right, so I am buffed out. I haven't really given this look too much thought yet. All I know is I'm wearing a very pretty rust silk skirt, like a rust color, like a burnt orange color skirt with a black tee. So very basic look for the lights show, but I definitely want to go in with a little bit of color. So I think I'm just gonna pile on some like nice orange colors to start with and maybe go in with some browns to make it a little darker. So I think the first thing I am gonna go ahead and do is lay down. I'm gonna go in with Pukey, that's right next to Hunt's. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this color, and I am just going in with my Morphe M506 brush. It looks like this, and I'm really gonna take this into my crease line area so that way I can buff out if it starts to want to like crease in that area, because I did lay down my concealer. I do not set my concealer with any powder other than eyeshadow, and I really recommend doing this because I feel like when you're buffing out, it's just gonna take that pigment, you know. It's not gonna be your, like for instance, I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set under my eyes, and I used to use this as well to set my eyelids with after concealing, and I have found like the best thing for me to do is to use my eyeshadow. This is my go-to. If you can't tell, like I said, it's all worn off, but it's like a really nice buffing brush. I love it. So we are just going to buff this out, and I'm sorry if I'm doing the funny possessed look again. I am going to take the same M506 brush, the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to kind of clean the bristles off really quickly, dust it off, and then dive into probably more of an orange color, because I told you guys that my dress or my skirt is like a rust burnt orange color. I am going to go into the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and I'm going to go into this pretty orange color right here. So I am going to go in again with my MAC buffing brush. I'm just going to clean off the bristles a little bit and then buff this out. So I am going to darken this look up a little bit more. I am going to be going in to my Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault collection, the Armed and Gorgeous. I'm going to go into Secure, and then I'm also going to go into Smooth Criminal just to bring out those colors, but I am going to start with Secure. And this time I am going in with my Morphe 431 brush. Again, I'm going to go in with my MAC Fluffy brush. Keep it kind of in the same area that I've placed it. I'm not trying to move it too much. All I want to do is just blend that pigment. Alright guys, so I'm going to brush that color Secure off of this brush, and I will be going in again with that Smooth Criminal. MAC brush, the Morphe 506, because I want a more closer buff and my MAC brush is a little bit more fuller. Alright guys, so I am back. I have blended out, as you can see, that really pretty brown color into my crease. Brought some warmth into the outer corner of my eyes, and I did go ahead and pack on an orange color onto my lid. What I'm going to go ahead and do first is dive into my eyeliner, so I will be right back. Alright, so I am back. I have done a winged liner. Now I kind of want to take things up a notch, and I've never tried this, but I really want to go in again to the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I want to go in with the color Coin. It's this really pretty gold color right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my thin MAC brush. I am going to spray it with some Fix Plus just to get it a little wet, and I'm really going to try to do like a double eyeliner look. I've seen a lot of people do this. And usually I would be going in with my little glitter, dipping it in. You know, it's obviously a different consistency. It's more wet, so it's easier to glide. But I'm going to try to do this, and hopefully it turns out good. Hey guys, so I am done with my final look. I did go in and actually make some changes to the crease kind of glitter look that I did. I went in with a different color actually. I ended up, instead of using the Coin, I went in and used from my Morphe Boss Mood 35M palette. I actually went in with this Rust color orange, just to kind of like tie it in. I felt like the gold was a little too out of place, but I am feeling this look. I did top my lip off with the Jeffree Star matte liquid lip, which I'm excited about using for a festival because I won't have to redo my lipstick, to be honest. This will just stay on the whole night. I did go with some dramatic Lily lashes, of course. But yeah, so tell me what you guys think of this festival look. And I will catch you guys later at the Lights Fest. Thanks, babes.